Hey y'all, here we are. We're back. The battery died on you. Sorry about that, but at least you saw me get started. Here's the finished repair. It's only been about an hour and 15 minutes since the camera actually stopped. Hot batch, warm day. She's hardened right up. It's not sticky, so yeah, she's good and strong. Got that done. So the seat repair done. We might do a little bit of work on the inside here. We're not sure yet. I don't know. It depends on how I feel. It's good and strong though, so it's we're good to go. Memorial Day weekend. Hey to my buddy Storm, who's in Okinawa. He's a church guy, young kid. He's in the Army or Marines. I'm not sure which. I think he's a Marine. He's over there, and so if he looks in, Storm, how you doing, buddy? We're praying for you, obviously, along with all of our military families and folks that are enlisted or what have you. They go the extra mile. They put themselves in harm's way so we don't have to. So God bless all them. We're praying for all of them as we always do. That's it. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. We'll be listening to the Indy 500 on the radio and working on the cart. Hopefully we'll bring you some more coverage of comparing the pumps. Once they get the water drained out, we'll compare the physical size of the pumps and we'll show you what's going on with that and our plans to get this thing cooled off. That's it. God bless. Talk to y'all later.